Hey designers and developers. So I wanted to just talk about onboarding. And this is a tool called Raycast. And I've had this question about UI, or when a user lands in your app for the very first time. How can you make their time more efficient? How can you get them to their goal quicker? So I'm not sure again if this is classed as an onboarding. This is like a setup right at the start of opening the tool. But I would say onboarding is where you talk about the benefits, because the user may have come from different channels. This could be from a landing page, this could be from YouTube, and you're just reminding them of that benefit. So here it's your Mac but better. Let's set up you with a smarter, more efficient way of using Mac OS. So I haven't used Raycast before, shocking, because I know that this is well known in the design community. So let's give this a go. Start setup, and I might be doing this all wrong. So it's got, you can see the nice little enter key there. So I'm assuming I can hit the enter keyboard. So out of the box as the productivity tools, snippets, which is interesting, clipboard, emoji picker, search screenshots, schedule, window management, calculator. Nice. Okay. So let's see if that actually works if I enter, and that does work. Install your first extensions, Arc, which I'm using, Visual Studio, which I do use, 1Password, color picker. Interesting. So I'm just going to go crazy and install all. That was super quick. What I like about this as well is this step. So this is like a multi-step. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one enlarges to show you the current step that you're on. So my background is UI design. This is why I love to do this type of just reviews. So start 14-day free trial, maybe later. So again, an onboarding is an opportunity to upsell a user. And obviously this is how the startups will make money. So I'm not going to go with pro for now. I'm just going to go for maybe later. So that's Command and Enter. Keep your muscle memory. We made a transition to Raycast as smooth as possible. Open that login. So I'm saying, okay, open that login. Use the Raycast emoji. Replace them. Okay, I'll leave that for now. So enter. Unlock the full potential. Allows you to check upcoming meetings and join calls. Files and folders. Allows you to find documents. Allows you to resize windows. So I'm going to grant access. Let's see if I have to actually go into my settings. Oh, no, you don't. Nice. So you don't have to go through the trouble of going into settings, or do you? Would like to access your... So I'm just clicking, okay. So we'd like to control this computer. So I'm just going to do that. You can't really see this properly. So Raycast, boom. It'd be shocking if I don't even know my password. Boom, okay. So close that. Access granted. Hit enter. Stay in touch. We love hearing from you. Share your feedback. So community X, subscribe on YouTube channel. So again, I'm just going to leave that for now and go to continue. Ready for takeoff. Press your new hotkey to open Raycast. So Option and space. Is that it? Really? Oh, Alt and space, sorry. Alt and space. There you go. That's nice. Wow. Okay. So we have the confetti. So we're in, and search for apps and commands. Walk through. Interesting. my schedule. Let's say calculator. So if I hit enter on calculator, do math. So I'm going on holiday to South Korea. Do math. So what am I trying to do? How much is, let's say, how much is 200 in, I don't even know the name of the Korean currency, so please forgive me. Let's see if I can do it like that. No, I thought I'm trying to do it in natural language. So I'm immediately thinking I have to type it in, but British pounds, and hopefully here is going to let me change it. Interesting. I thought it let me change. So Command K, swap units. Do I want to swap units? No, I don't. I want to change the unit. So this is where my mind is going crazy. Oh, just got out of the whole thing. How do we get it back? It was Alt and space. So this is habits, really. You have to build the habits. So I want to bring that back. So Command and K, swap units. So 200 USD to Korean won. I'm taking a guess. That didn't work. I pressed enter on that. So Alt space. I'm probably doing this all wrong. Should I try that to Korean? It doesn't know. I'm probably there completely wrong. Wow. This is where the onboarding goes bad. But that's not blaming the tool. That is me. Or is it? Right? Or is it? Go back. Command space. I would really thought that you could. Well, anyone who knows Raycast, please leave in the comments how I would do that to go from sterling to Korean won or Korean currency. Again, apologies, I don't know the Korean currency name. But let's try this. 18% completed. That's interesting. So sometimes when you first go in an app, it's not gamification, but you are encouraged to complete your profile, as they say. This is for social networks. But here it's saying 18% completed. So that's interesting. So if I just click on that, or can't even click, open walkthrough, enter. Start the journey of becoming an expert. Nice. Every action you need is here. So let's just try and do the first one. See how this does. Start the journey. That's the first one checked off the list. You've made your first step into learning more about pro tips. In walkthrough, there are a series of helpful tips. Blah, 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 blah. There are a series of help to get, which will speed up your daily workflow. Okay, so this is where the tool is going absolutely crazy. And this is mainly my recording tool because it's recording a window. But anyway, hopefully this is where the onboarding goes a bit out of it. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I think onboarding is super useful, especially if you have an app that has a lot of advanced features. So startups that have been building a lot of features where the app starts to get a bit, and I'm not saying this with Raycast, but just chatting with other founders or designers where the app UI starts to get cluttered. So how do you deal with that? And then the feedback with some users is stuff can be hard to find or complicated to use, or they don't know what to do next. So onboarding is like the intro to an app, but then what do you do after that? Anyway, these are just questions that is popping out of my head. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.